Question is y is equal to sin inverse x square. Find dy by dx. Here we need to find the dy by dx for y is equal to sin inverse x square. Use the derivative of sin inverse u, that is d by dx of sin inverse u is equal to 1 by 1 minus u square, square root of 1 minus u square into du by dx. Here you will put u is equal to x square. That implies du by dx is equal to 2x. Now substitute these values in this d by dx of sin inverse x square is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2x the whole square into 1 minus x the whole square into here d by dx of sin inverse u is will substituting x square, then we will get 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square the whole square into 2x. That's equal to 1 minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x raised to 4 into 2x. So the final answer is 2x divided by square root of 1 minus x raised to 4. This is the final answer. That's all in this video. Stay tuned for the next short video, which I will describe the simple questions of differentiation and integration. Thank you once again and stay tuned.